It's a security door. Right here, you could see the first point. You could see also the second point over here. You could see the bar. They just put in it today. Right here. Yeah. And then all about the stores with 10%. Not only some of the doors are on the big discounts, almost like 30%, but overall there's an extra 10%. Welcome again to my video, wonderful people of the diaspora and in the diaspora. How are you doing? If you are here for the first time, you see my face. My name is Raphael from the US diaspora and prepared to return. I document my journey back to Africa. I talk about a few things like the preparation, the transition, and then also post-transition. How to sustain your life after the return, how to make a living, how to generate cash flow business in Africa. I'm specifically in Ghana. Thank you for clicking on this video. And you see on my back, on my investment property right now in Accra, I was able to achieve today, July 28th, Friday, 2023. The main door is in. You can see from the back. The main door is in right now. Wow, 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 wow. Also, I want to show you what is going on here. And you could see, moving forward, that the window has been changed. On the side, on the length of the building. This is the window, one of the window to the living room. This is the second window, and here is the third window. Right now, they are putting it together. You know, the plastering is going on, and here, this is the kitchen window. This is the kitchen window, and wow, wow, wow! That's the kitchen door, the security door. We bought it from the same company. I'm gonna let you know about the company that we bought, the store that we bought it from. Right here, it's a security door. Right here, you could see the first point. You could see also the second point over here. You could see the bar. They just put in it today. Right here. Yeah, so you know, an update. Everything is going on well. Everything is going on well by the grace of God, you know. And then if you have followed me from my previous video, macro managing strategically works. You know, when you are in Africa, if not, you are going to spend money that you don't need to. You are going to waste your money that you don't need to waste. And we have been in the West, we have been abroad, we know how hard it is, you know, to earn dollars, to earn pounds, and to earn euro. And coming over here, and you just have to be very careful. You just have to build your network. And as I said, this is the latest updates right now, and the living room has been expanded. You know, it's going to be kind of open kitchen, and everything is going so well. And one of the experiences that I wanted to share with you this evening is that if you don't shop around, you know, you will not maximize your money. In order to maximize your money, in order to maximize your budget, you gotta shop around. And you know, we are able to, you know, searching, you know, the stores, you know, the store that sell the door here in Ghana. I've been searching online, and I realized that this door, I realized that online with Palace Home Decor, the one on Spittens Road, they are doing big discount. They are doing a big discount, you know, and then all over the store, so 10%. Not only some of the doors are on the big discounts, almost like a 30%, but overall there's an extra 10%. So, you know, we went in there, and then we saw some of the doors that are on a big discount, you know, and this one is a Turkish door, the double door for the main entrance. So why to waste time? Something that will cost me both of them, you know, the one that has access to the kitchen and then the one that has access to the living room. Something that will cost me like a 13,000 Ghana cedi, equivalent of you know, $1,002 for both of them, and it's been slashed down to less than 9,000 Ghana cedi, you know, something like 850 or $800. Yeah, right away, you know, we just snatched them. We just snatched those two doors right away. You know, we went to the other stores also there that we compared the price. You know, we came back, we realized that you know, that is the opportunity. That's opportunity, you know. So this is the main, from the outside, this is the main door, the two main doors to the kitchen, and then to the living room. So Turkish door, and then they are really solid, made out of metal. You know, even the design that you are seeing, you know, you see that you know, it's kind of a little bit looking like a wood, but this is not. It's just a design that is here is wood, but behind, you know, everything is metal. Everything is metal. So right now, so you see also here the first window, also to the front of the door, and then also the second, you know, big windows, and then the glasses coming over there, and then here also, if you have not seen it, we turn the two pillars this way. You know, this is how the two pillars look like right now. You know, we put them together, and then also here, also so far, this is how it looks. The two pillars are completely transformed, and then creativity. As I say that, once you are able to also get out of the West, you have time a little bit, you are refreshed in your mind, you sit down and then you think. You sit down and then you think. You know, that's where the creativity that God has put in you, you know, was able to, you know, to pop out. You know, so we know those times. We need those times for, you know, each and everyone, you know, in life. At least once in a year, you need to get out. So thank you for watching this video, and then this is I think that one of the latest updates, and in the next video I'll share with you some of the new learnings, some of the strategies that I have also acquired in doing this. It's amazing. It's amazing. And as I say that, with me, you know, one of the principles that I deal with is that it's more blessed to give than to receive. As long as I receive, I will share with you, because this is how I keep on receiving it, you know. So it is not when you receive that is only a way to a blessing to your life. When you give also, it's another way to a blessing. So if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Raphael. Consider to subscribe to this channel, you know, cause me to grow. And then also the topic that we talk about is about the diaspora, the transition, the pre, the during, and the post transition. How to make cash flow business here in Ghana. And some of the topic that people are requesting me, that how are you able, you know, to travel 2 or 3 times to Africa every year as a nurse? How during the summer when you come with your children, how are you able to stay for at least 6, 7, and 8 weeks? I'm going to reveal all this secret to you in my next video. Thank you very much. Africa Zone, Africa for the win. Ciao and peace out.